we are hiking today. My map. We're going to see some water. The temp is just right. It's not too hot. So, yeah. I don't think my crew, well, I don't think one person in the crew is comfortable. So he's not used to hiking. Since I've had Liam, I haven't gone hiking like that. I had a C-section and it took some time for my body to heal, along with me mentally, just being honest. So now I am back at it, my happy place. Here I am, baby. Oh. Okay, we found a boardwalk. We gotta make it quick because
2, 3.
Alright. So we've hiked for an hour with Liam. Okay, it is scorching hot out here. We've hiked for an hour, a little bit over an hour and a half with Liam, who is 2.5 years old. He did a really, really, really good job. So yeah, we are done.